Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and showing how you guys are using your voices in the world. And today I want to talk about someone I've actually known for years, Barbara Huson, formerly known as Barbara Stanny. Now, I first heard Barbara speak at an event for women right here in the Portland area, and then I read her fantastic book, Secrets of Six-Figure Women. And several years later after that, which is a few years ago now, I attended one of her 4-day Sacred Success retreats in the Seattle, Washington area. And I think Barbara is absolutely terrific. That retreat was a transformational experience for me and all of the other women who were there. Barbara says, "My mission in life is to revolutionize women's relationship with money and power. I grew up on relying on my father, the R of H&R Block, then my husband, to manage my money. But a devastating financial crisis became a personal wake-up call." She is a wealth coach, financial therapist, best-selling financial author, and an entertaining speaker, all of which is true. And she has been featured in the Wall Street Journal, Good Morning America, the New York Times, The View, and too many other media outlets to even list here. But if you're a woman who struggles with achieving full potential wealth and full potential power, I really encourage you to check out the work of Barbara Huson. I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and if you want to be more powerful and confident with your voice, improve your vocal quality and longevity, you can find me at laurahandke.com or right here on LinkedIn.